Learn where is in Hungarian.
Hol van?
Welcome. Hey traveler. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Let's make
Hol van?
your new superpower. Imagine your GPS glitching and only repeating.
Hol van?
It's funny, until you realize that one question actually gets you everywhere. Today you'll ask confidently, understand answers like
Itt, ott, itt balra.
and even celebrate with street food. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask directions naturally and catch the reply without panic. Core phrase.
Hol van?
Singular, and
Hol vannak?
plural. What is where?
Hol?
Answers you'll hear.
Itt,
Here.
ott,
There.
balra,
Left.
jobbra.
Right. Common places.
Állomás,
Station.
mosdó,
Bathroom.
múzeum,
Museum.
étterem.
Restaurant. Don't confuse.
Hol van?
Where is, with.
Hogy van?
How are you? Compare with.
Merre van?
Which way is. Forms and rhythm. Lock in the melody so your question lands friendly and clear. Say it.
Hol van?
Whole, low, van, high. 2 beats, then a pause. Plural targets.
Hol vannak?
Example. Where are the restrooms?
Hol vannak a mosdók?
Rapid rhyme to stick it. Whole van? Van. Say it quick.
Hol van?
Mini dialogues. Try these quick scenes, answer like a friendly local. You.
Elnézést, hol van a mosdó?
Local.
Itt balra.
You.
Elnézést, hol van az állomás?
Local.
Ott van.
You.
Hol van a múzeum?
Local.
Itt, jobbra.
You.
Hol van az étterem?
Local.
Ott, a Duna mellett.
You.
Köszönöm.
Local. Shivasan. Direction drill. Say it out loud. IQ in English, you answer in Hungarian. Where is the bathroom? You.
Hol van a mosdó?
Where is the station? You.
Hol van az állomás?
Where is the museum? You.
Hol van a múzeum?
Where is the restaurant? You.
Hol van az étterem?
Bonus plural. Where are the restrooms? You.
Hol vannak a mosdók?
Culture bite. Fuel your quest with tasty motivation. At Budapest's Great Market Hall, ask vendors.
Hol van a legjobb lángos?
Then celebrate with dessert.
Hol van a kürtős kalács?
If you drift riverside, try.
Hol van a legközelebbi étterem a Duna mellett?
Pro tip. Start with.
Elnézést.
End with.
Köszönöm.
Smiles guaranteed. Quick quiz. Ready? Answer after the pause. 1. Translate. Where is? Answer.
Hol van?
2. True or false?
Hogy van?
Means where is. Answer. False. It means how are you? 3. Which way is? In Hungarian? Answer.
Merre van?
4. You hear.
Itt balra.
What does it mean? Answer. Here, to the left. 5. Fill it. Blank, a museum? Answer.
Hol van?
A museum? Street challenge. Time to play tourist hero. Out loud, chain 3.
Elnézést, hol van az állomás?
Then.
Köszönöm. Hol van a múzeum?
And.
Hol van egy jó étterem?
If someone points, listen for.
Itt, ott, balra, jobbra.
Bonus compare. Swap once with.
Merre van?
To hear a route style answer. Wrap up. You nailed it, no more getting lost. Today you mastered.
Hol van?
And replies like,
Itt balra.
and.
Ott van.
Remember.
Hol van?
Asks for location, not feelings, that's.
Hogy van?
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, smile, and say.
Köszönöm.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content and resources.